Assalamu alaikum everybody. I am Muhammad Saiful Islam Chowdhury, teacher CJM High School, Chattogram. Welcome to our CJM High School online class. My dear student, how are you? I hope you are all well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Today I am going to discuss with you a new topics from English for today for class 10. Are you all ready? Let's enjoy the class. My dear student, look at the picture. Guess the picture about. What about the picture? It is a picture of our central Shahid Minar. Could you tell me why it was built? It was built in honor of the language matter in 1952. So, today our lesson is International Mother Language Day. Our lesson is International Mother Language Day. After completing the lesson, we will be able to read and understand text, talk about people, places and familiar object in short and simple sentences, and write a summary. My dear learners, listen to the text attentively. International Mother Language Day, Part 1. 21st February is a memorable day in our national history. We observe the day every year as International Mother Language Day. The day is a national holiday. On this day, we pay tribute to the martyrs who laid down their lives to establish Bangla as a state language in undivided Pakistan in 1952. The struggle to achieve our language rights is known as the language movement. The seed of the language movement was sown on 21st March 1948 when Muhammad Ali Jinnah, the Governor General of Pakistan, declared in a public meeting in Dhaka that Urdu would be the only state language of Pakistan. The declaration raised a storm of protest in the eastern part of the country. The protest continued non-stop, gathering momentum day by day. It turned into a movement and reached its climax in 1952. The government outlawed all sorts of public meeting and rallies to stop it. The students of Dhaka University defied the law and brought out a peaceful protest procession on 21st February 1952. When the procession reached near Dhaka Medical College, the police opened fire on the students, killing Salam, Rafiq, Barakat, Shofiur and Jabbar. As a result, there were mass protests all over the country and the government had to declare Bangla as a state language. This kindled the spark of independence movement of Bangladesh. My dear student, now we learn some new words. Dear learners, let's learn some new words with meaning. First one is memorable. Memorable means স্মরণীয়. 21st February is our memorable day. Memorable means unforgettable, remarkable. Observe, উদযাপন করা. Commemorate, we observe 21st February every year. Observe means celebrate. Tribute, tribute means সম্মান. We pay tribute to the language martyrs. Tribute means respect, honor, homage. Now protest. Protest means প্রতিবাদ. The students of Dhaka University brought out a peaceful protest. Protest means objection, the expression of a strong disagreement. Independence. You know, independence means স্বাধীনতা. Freedom. Freedom from political control by the other countries. My dear learners, now choose the correct answer from the alternative. Choose the best answer. You know, here is 4 answers. One is correct answer and another 3 is distractor. এখানে 4টি উত্তর দেওয়া আছে, একটি সঠিক উত্তর, বাকি 3টি বিক্ষেপক. First one is, which of the following is the closest meaning of tribute? Gift, salvo, honor, offering. Honor. Number 2, what is the closest meaning of candle? Inflame, candle, kind, burning. Inflame. Language movement was held in Pakistan, undivided Pakistan, Bangladesh, India. Undivided Pakistan. Where did the police fire on the procession? Dhaka University, near Dhaka College, near Dhaka Medical College, near Shahbag. Correct answer is near Dhaka Medical College. Why is 21st February observed? আমরা কেন 21শে ফেব্রুয়ারি উদযাপন করি? To pay offerings to the dedicated soul, to make the day memorable, to create awareness among the people, to pay respect to the language martyrs. Correct answer, to pay respect to the language martyrs. Number 6, which of the days is International Mother Language Day? You know very well. Correct answer is 21st February. The word raise has the same meaning as the word lift, move, form, promote. Correct answer is form. My dear learners, read the passage carefully and answer the following questions. Number 1. Why is 21st February observed every year? Number 2. What were the activities on 21st February 1952? Number 3. How was Bangla established as one of the state languages of Pakistan? Number 4. Describe the contribution of the students in language movement. And number 5. The seed of the language movement was shown on 21st March 1948. How? First one is, why is 21st February observed every year? প্রতি বছর আমরা কেন 21শে ফেব্রুয়ারি উদযাপন করে থাকি? In 21st February 1952, Salam, Rafiq, Barkat, Shafiur, Jabbar sacrificed their lives to establish Bengali as a state language of Pakistan. So, we observe 21st February every year to remember their sacrifice. Number 2. What were the activities on 21st February 1952? When the Pakistan government understood the climax of the protest regarding language, the government banned all sorts of public meetings and rallies to stop it. But the students violated the ban and brought out a procession on 21st February. The police then opened fire on that procession and killed several students. How was Bangla established as one of the state languages of Pakistan? After the declaration of Jinnah that Urdu would be the only state language of Pakistan, a storm of protest raised in the East Pakistan. It reached its climax in 1952. The police then opened fire on that procession and killed several students. Then government was compelled to establish Bangla as the state language of Pakistan. Number 4. Describe the contribution of the students in language movement. In the language movement, the students had unforgettable contribution. The students defied the law and brought out a peaceful protest procession on which the police opened fire and killed several students. Number 5. The seed of the language movement was shown on 21st March 1948. How? On 21st March 1948, Muhammad Ali Jinnah at a public meeting in Dhaka declared that Urdu would be the only state language of Pakistan. This declaration led to a storm of protest that reached its climax in 1952. My dear student, here is a chart for you. Complete the chart. Serial number 1, serial number, time, what happened. Number 1, 1947. Number 2, 1948. Number 3, 1952. Yes, 1947, Pakistan and India became independent. 1948, Muhammad Ali Jinnah declared that Urdu would be the only state language of Pakistan. And 1952, the students of Dhaka University brought out a procession on 21st February. Here is homework for you. Write a summary of the passage in your own words. My dear learners, stay home. That's all for today. Thank you very much.